guys, welcome back to Franker Farms. So today's kind of a sad day. I had to do a second dump run and it cost me even more money than last time. That's fine though. So today's a sad day. I gotta sell this truck, but I'll sure be changing my tune once I get the money in my wallet. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes as smooth as I'm hoping. There are a couple of issues with this thing. It needs e-brake cables and axle seals. Other than that, it's a pretty decent little truck. So I'm just taking it out near some farms and I'm going to take some pictures of it here, and yeah, got it all washed up. I'll show you guys the before photos before the body work. And then I'll show you the after photos right here. Pretty crazy transformation from when it started out, and I bought this truck for $2,500, which seemed a little bit steep, but the frame was pretty much mint, and underneath the cab and the cab floors and stuff were in really good condition. It had been neglected for a little bit, as you'll see in my other videos, some of the repairs that I did on it, but it's not that bad, and I was able to do pretty much all the repairs that I wanted to, except for those e-brake cables and the axle seals. And as I'm sure you guys can see too, this truck would really benefit from some shock absorbers. It's not the nicest to be bouncing down the road here with. So anyways, we'll get it up the road here and then we'll do a bit of a walk around. These trucks, I just love them. I used to have a 1985 Silverado C20. It was a camper special. It had the really low gears. It wasn't automatic, and I love that old truck. The only issue that it had was the cab corners were rotten out of it on the driver's side. So other than that, it was in pretty good shape. But at the time, it was my daily driver, and it was really all I could afford for fuel. So it was just way too much for me back then. So having this is just kind of a fun toy for every now and again. It's just been a good truck. So I'm just going to park it here, take some nice pictures of it, and hopefully vlog this thing fast. Alright, so looking at the truck now after the body work, paint match isn't perfect, but it's decent and it's way better than what it used to be. So I'm pretty happy with the result, especially for my first time doing something like this. Unfortunately, this panel here was just way too much for me, and it's just warped and messed up and way too damaged for me, unfortunately. And I had to replace such a big cutout on this panel here just because it had so much warpage in the top, and there just seemed like there was no way I was going to be able to hammer that out. It's a little bit dark on this side of the truck, of course, but the end result turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think. I'm not really a super huge fan of those 4x4 lights or whatever those are, but they just came with the truck, so I just left them on there. What do you think? What should be my next truck? Should it be one of those 90s Chevys? Can't really be a Ford. I'm kind of sick of working on Fords, and I want to get back into Chevys or GMs in general. So I'm thinking maybe a square body, maybe something older. The issue is it's got to be a little bit cheap, and it's got to have something